Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we are diving into a really powerful blueprint from Dr. Vernette Grant. She calls it the Trend to Content Engine. And honestly, it's a system designed to help you create social media content that actually performs, so you can finally get off that content treadmill for good.
And that amazing promise, that comes straight from the person who put this whole thing together, Dr. Vernette Grant. You know, as an AI productivity educator and consultant, she's pinpointed a specific method that uses a couple of powerful AI tools to completely change the game when it comes to creating content.
I mean, this feels a little too familiar, right? The pressure for new, engaging content just never stops. It feels like you're in a constant race against the algorithm. Well, that's exactly the problem Dr. Grant's system is built to solve, to get us off that treadmill and start working smarter, not just harder.
Okay, so here's our game plan. First, we're going to talk about the challenge itself. Then we'll get into the power tools that make this system tick. We'll break down the content engine, see how the whole workflow plays out in real life, and then figure out who this blueprint is really perfect for.
So here's the deal. Creators, brands, agencies, we're all under this massive pressure to pump out more content on more platforms all the time. And trying to scale that up the old-fashioned way, it just leads to burnout. But Dr. Grant's system, well, it offers a much smarter way forward.
So what's the secret sauce here? It all comes down to combining two key pieces of technology. Dr. Grant's engine is basically built on this AI-powered duo that tackles both sides of the content puzzle, figuring out what to talk about and then actually getting it done.
Think of it like this. On one side, you've got Sprout Social. That's your AI publishing hub, your command center for creating content, seeing how it does, the whole shebang. And on the other side, you have Exploding Topics, which is like your trend discovery radar, helping you find topics to talk about before everyone else does.
So let's dive into that first tool, Sprout Social. It's so much more than just a scheduler. Its AI suite is what makes it the central command. It helps you generate and repurpose posts. It listens to what people are saying in real time. It helps manage customer interactions, and it gives you these incredible insights into what's working. This is really the engine room of the whole operation. And this is where the strategy gets really smart. While Sprout Social is handling the execution, Exploding Topics is telling you what to create in the first place. It's built to spot those trends and keywords that are just starting to take off, showing you their growth so you can jump on topics that have real, actual momentum. Right, so when you put these two tools together, you get what Dr. Grant calls the Trend to Content Engine. It's so important to see this as more than just a list of steps. It's a repeatable, strategic system that's designed for consistent, high-level results. This really cuts to the core of it. The big shift here is getting away from just throwing content at the wall and seeing what sticks. Instead, you're systematically finding relevant trends and then using a powerful AI suite to create, publish, and analyze everything. It creates this awesome self-improving loop.
Okay. This is where the rubber meets the road. Let's break down exactly how this engine works day to day. This is the step-by-step blueprint from Dr. Grant that you can actually follow to put this whole strategy into motion. The engine runs on this simple, repeatable 6-step cycle. You start in Exploding Topics to find a trend that looks promising. Then you hop over to Sprout's listening tools to validate it, to see if your audience is actually talking about it. From there, Sprout's AI helps you create and publish the content. And what's so crucial are those last two steps. You analyze the performance and use that data to optimize your next cycle. Find, validate, create, publish, analyze, and repeat. It's brilliant.
So it's pretty clear this is a powerful system. But you might be wondering, is this for me? Who's really going to get the most out of implementing Dr. Grant's blueprint? Let's take a look.
Honestly, this blueprint is a total game changer for so many different professionals. Social media managers can automate and scale their work, consultants can build these repeatable winning systems for their clients, creators and agencies can make better content way more efficiently, and strategists can finally back up their ideas with real-time data. At the end of the day, it's for anyone who wants to build a truly modern AI-powered social media machine.
And that really brings us to our final thought. When you combine that predictive trend discovery with AI-powered execution and analytics, Dr. Grant's Trend to Content Engine presents a super compelling model for where things are headed. So the big question is this kind of disciplined, data-driven approach the new standard for anyone who's serious about content strategy? It's definitely something to think about.